guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl BrightAsDae. So happy Sunday. Today's actually Sunday my time. Not sure when y'all are seeing this. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today's video is me going to church. We're all going to church. Mommy's pulling, I don't want to use the word force, but she is pulling us to church this morning. So I got up and getting ready. Well, not getting ready just yet. I just cleaned up outside and stuff, the veranda and all these things, the porch and everything. So now I'm about to do my skin. Y'all, I have been abandoning my skin. Other than like washing my face with like my spin brush and moisturizing my face, I have been abandoning my face since I've been here. So I have not done a mask. I have not done my peeling solution. I have not done anything like that. So that's where we're going to start off today's vlog. So right now I have all my skincare stuff in front of me. I'm not sure if I want to do my peeling solution, or I did bring if you shop at like Sephora and stuff like that, you always get these, or Ulta, you always get these little samples. So I have I only brought two. I had a bunch, but I guess I didn't bring them. But I have these two. This one is a serum, so this one is definitely not a mask. I can't use that. So that leaves me with this pore clearing clay mask, which I'm pretty sure it replicates the she not there yet. I'm pretty sure it replicates the bentonite clay mask probably, but I don't know. I think I'm going to use my peeling solution. So I already washed my face, so my face is cleansed. I just wasn't sure which one to do, and I'm like, hey, let me pop open this camera. So I think I'm going to do the peeling solution just because I'm having a little breakout and dark spots. Look here, this is dark, sis, like dark. We don't need that right now. Okay, we want our skin to flourish, sis. So I usually do that, but somebody told me not to let this thing, I'm about to call it the syringe, touch the touch my fingers, because then that's dirt going back into the whole thing, defeats the whole purpose, right? So I just drop it on my hands. My hands are clean and it's burning because I popped some pimples. So this really here teaches you not to pop your pimples, because when you do and you use this joint, it burns. And it don't usually burns. I watch a lot of videos and people are like, oh, it burns, but it really doesn't, except for now that I've popped a pimple. So maybe they were popping pimples.
Well, all right, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you.
All right, and then we leave it on for 10 minutos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so we're leaving on for 10 minutes, and I'll be back. All right, guys, it's time to get it off. I don't usually wash it off. I usually wipe it off, so I have a clean rag. Make sure you have a clean. Shout! Disconnect your phone, man. Slight intermission. So it's time to wipe my face off. Use a clean washcloth or a rag. I have face rags and stuff like that, but mine are white, so I don't usually use my white one because it don't stain, but like it's not easily washed out, so I'm using this. So I'll just usually wipe it off my face. And make sure you wipe it off really good. Even though I still go in and cleanse my face after this, I do a light cleanse. I don't have a reason. I just feel like this is not a harsh chemical, but it's a chemical. So then I like to just go in and make sure it's washed off. Mama. As you can hear everybody in the background. So, and then I go in with my cleanser. I just rub it over.
We're jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. And the rules ain't no lie. We can do it anyhow. I and I will see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price to deliver.
Y'all, this step just always have my skin feeling really smooth. Just like smooth. I feel like if anything, it also helps with texture as well, because my skin just feels smooth. But it also helps with hyperpigmentation and all of that as well. Alright, so once my face is dry and all that, bless you. Once my face is dry and all that, I'm gonna take my hyaluronic acid. I know I can't be pronouncing these words, but my hyaluronic acid. It's also from the Ordinary brand. I'll link my skincare routine up top because y'all know I follow the same thing. So if you watch that, it looks pretty much the same. I only added one new thing to it, but I'm not using it right now. And I'm gonna shower soon, so this is gonna come off again. But I'm gonna rub this off soon. I don't like wearing this outside because I read somewhere that you're not supposed to put these on and like wear it outside. But even though if I do, I'll put sunscreen over it. My lip. I put sunscreen over it, but I don't want to chance it. Plus, I think I'm wearing makeup to church, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. So then I'm just gonna add this organic cold pressed rose hip seed oil because my face, then the reason I use the hyaluronic acid instead of my other one is because child, my face is dry. Yesterday I washed my face and I didn't moisturize for like 5 minutes and my skin was like, it looks so dry. Even my mom noticed and I was like, yeah, I gotta do something about my skin. So now we're all hydrated. Dry skin wear. So yeah, and then I usually finish off with just a final moisturizer. And a little goes a long way, so there's no need to like, because I have the oil on my face, so this is just to seal everything in, make sure they go in my pores and all of that. Whew. All right, and this is it. And then maybe later on during the week, or in a few, yeah, later on during the week, today's Sunday, so maybe like Wednesday or Thursday, I will do this clay mask or something. All right guys, so that was skin. Now we're about to go into shower, but you know I'm not bringing y'all shower. Then we're going to get into hair, makeup, and clothes. I don't have a church clothes, so I'm gonna finesse it. My dress has a split. Hopefully the split isn't too high, sis, because rest in peace to my church outfits. So I'll catch you on a little bit. We're about to eat breakfast and stuff. So that is it for my skin. I haven't done, I would say my skin routine, but honestly I have not done this whole process since I've been here. So that's the first time in 2 weeks. Even I feel like if I was in the States though, it would have been more often. I always like stick to my routine. Down here it's just kind of hard because this makes me hot. Yeah, I know I'm in Jamaica and I don't like being hot, so. All right guys, so I'm gonna see what's going on. I think it's breakfast time, so about to eat breakfast even though it's late. It is 11:18 right now. What church we going to this late? All right, we're gonna hurry up. Let's go. All right guys, so ignore the noise. Shop is having a praise and worship session, but for breakfast this morning we have breadfruit, liver, and and callaloo. I don't eat liver. Callaloo cook. I like callaloo, but I don't eat saltfish, so I have to sit here and pick out the sauce. And then we topping it off with some good old cocoa tea. It's like chocolate tea. It's so good. Excuse me not eating with no fork, but you don't need fork, okay? Unless you're trying to be fancy, and I'm not. Tea sweet. I used to love cocoa tea growing up, like my favorite. I look forward to Sundays. My grandma only make it on Sundays, so I always look forward to Sundays. I used to dip my bread inside of it and like make my bread get soggy. I don't do that now. I see my little cousins doing that now, but it's so good. As I said, Shabbat have a praise and worship over there, so. Alright, so breakfast is finished. It's time to get ready now, so I'm about to shower. Sweet's just finished taking the shower, so I'm about to hop in. He wasn't gonna come to church, but mom said everybody's coming to church, so he got his ass up and he took a shower and we going to church. Here we go. Mama in our best Sunday feet, going to church. I didn't even update y'all, so the dress that I plan to wear to go to church can't fit. I don't know. I feel like I ordered the wrong size, but it didn't fit, so Mommy I lend me one frock. I'm wearing blue, not my color, but I love blue, but I don't wear blue, if that makes sense. But yep. But yeah, so I'm about to go shower. I'm bummed my dress didn't fit because I don't like this color, but we have to go to church. Hey guys, so I don't know if I told y'all, but my dress didn't fit for church, and mommy lent me a dress, but I didn't like how that fit, so I put on the dress that I had, and Shava laughed off of me saying I look like a grandma. So I don't know if I want to show y'all my outfit because Shava's clowning me, and I don't like that. She just don't like the top. I got one of my cardigans to throw over because obviously my dress be like spaghetti straps and stuff. I'm not even doing no baby hair. I'm not doing no makeup. I'm not doing any of that because we're late, period. We late. We're not trying to be later than we are. So we're just gonna step. I don't know which bag to bring. Oh, I know what I'm gonna bring. Hold on. Alright, so I'm ready, y'all. I'm just gonna moisturize my face, and my face product is in the other bathroom. Bring my shades. It's not sunny out. Alright. And then we're just gonna go. I might show y'all my outfit. I'll think about it. I'm gonna fix my hair a little bit. There go Shav. Then I'm not showing my outfit because y'all clone me. Saying I look like a grandma. Wow. Switch up. Remember tell us I'm gonna vlog today?
No.
Because people them always ask you, say, hey y'all.
Hey.
Give 5 minutes change.
Sorry.
I give change.
Mommy said she like my outfit, so forget Shav. Don't me I can't get my face stuff.
Yeah, do makeup?
No. Some moisturize my face. Give me. We have an AC in here. Oh, no boy, sister.
Yes, boy. Oh, nah, no way to give you.
Yeah, 500 actually. Yeah, God change it all.
250.
Give him change it actually. No be mean with God, I gotta give them look on it as a church. Give it. When you give to the Lord, you receive in abundance. But you don't have to give it, just say you want to receive it. Give it with a willing heart. Yeah, I feel like if you tuck in your shirt. Guys, I just look warm. But not like, I'll be the first to tell y'all. I like, oh look.
Where's the woman?
Jaja. Some water for wet me here. I probably don't even wet it. Try to look like a granny for you?
I like where you kept me a force of that church. You kept off like a diff.
I'm not forced to go to church. Me I'll go. You don't like this?
You don't look good.
You don't like your top?
No. I like that.
You don't like your dress?
Hey, not your clothes. Come on, at church, we are go. Not your clothes. And then we would have taken a shop too much.
But me not like it.
They not like it.
Hi guys, today we're doing an awesome vlog.
Today we're doing an awesome vlog. Where are we going today?
Church.
Yep, we're going to church.
Ready now, one on.
Hi guys.
I'm going to carry my white bag for
We're
bring
going
off
on
the white
an
top.
awesome trip to church today. And this is gonna be awesome. See you at church. And yesterday was the last day of Christmas. So, see ya. without further ado, let's jump into the video.
So hey guys, the camera is about to die. So I'll record on my phone when we get to church where we're about to leave right now. I'm gonna show y'all what I have on. Y'all can comment in the comments too. It's cool. And I'm just bringing, I don't usually bring stuff like this to church, but I'm just gonna bring it because I have this white one to bring off the white. Movie may I come?
Hi guys.
Should I mess up my OOTD? Alright.
What's up? Alright.
Tell us where I got church now.
We're going to church.
Alright, see y'all later.
See y'all later.
Alright guys.
We'll be back.
We'll be back. Alright.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up the video. Subscribe.
Like the video.
There we go. See y'all in a little bit.
If I wanna know when it comes from pretty little